We're on an adventure today. I'm not going to tell you what it is, so stay tuned. Wagons ho!
Hey friends, it's Kurt. Welcome to day 39 of my countdown to the Lititz Craft Fair on August 8th. Today I grabbed Jackie and her brother Steve and we went on the Pennsylvania Rail Trail to find today's painting. Buckle up, let's do this.
Let's go, pedal. There's my crew. Mr. Steve is in the caboose. Miss Jackie here is our engineer, and I'm our narrator. Please, kids, keep your hands and arms in the car and vehicle at all times, for this is the wildest train ride in the West. Woo-hoo! We're arguing over roles. Whose job it is to do what. Mush, my people, mush.
See a bear.
Dar!
A bear.
Bar!
We're gonna see a bear.
That's electric power, baby. Electric power. What do you think? We have a good time?
So fun.
Hey, what a great outing we had. All downhill, except on the way back. Then it's uphill. Let's get on to painting.